Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G100 and let me show you how to change speed of slow motion video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right so we can get access to more modes of this camera. Let's focus on video category and pick slow motion. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by simply tapping on the big shutter button at the center. To change speed of slow motion, let's tap on button above the shutter so we can get access to more options, and we have to focus here on frame rate. We can pick between 120 and 240, so you can stay on whatever you need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.